Hey, it's Cornell Jermaine back with another hair care video with Quick Tip Tuesday. Listen, I want to talk about the most important seat in the salon. Now, where I'm from, many of the clients come or go to a salon for the end result, which is the style. They want to get this new pixie cut. They want to get this updo like so and so, or they want to get this lace front installed like so and so. But the most important seat in the salon is not the styling chair. And if you're a hair care professional, you know that. The most important seat, and I'm moving in because I want you to take me seriously and know that this is real. The most important seat in the salon is the shampoo chair. The shampoo bowl. That is the most important seat in the salon. The shampoo bowl is where you cleanse, you correct, you protect. All of those things happen at the shampoo bowl. But we're in a generation where the shampoo experience has been thrown out the window. You literally have stylists, professionals who request when their clients book an appointment, a part of that experience is, hey, you got to come already shampooed. What? The clients that I serve, they like that's the biggest part of why they come. I mean, yeah, they want a good style and they want their hair taken care of, all that, but they want the not just the experience of the shampoo, but the benefits that it gives it. So most of the clients that sit in the chair, they just like the experience. They can relax. They get their hair massaged. They get all of that. But as a professional, I know that that's where all of the real benefits take place, which leads me to the fact of why I don't understand why clients want to rush past that experience. They want a quick leave in, or I can't sit today, or can you just hurry up and rinse and give me. That is the most important part of the salon experience. I mean, so much so that I would even say if you had to save time, just go get it shampooed and conditioned and treated and go home and try to style it yourself if you just had to. Because the most important experience is not the style that you walk out with. It's the shampoo, the cleansing, the correcting, the treatments that you get at the bowl. When it comes to shampooing, the hair is most open to receive all of the benefits that you are trying to give it, all of the strength, all of the moisture, all of the stuff, all the things that you need to give your hair in order for it to respond at the styling chair are done at the shampoo bowl. I'll say that again. All of the things that you're looking for, that body, that shine, that bounce, that bob and behave, whatever you want to call it, all those things that you're looking for coming out at the styling chair happen at the shampoo bowl. The shampoo bowl is the most important seat in the salon. Yes, you want somebody that knows how to do the style you want. Yes. But don't negate the fact that the shampoo, condition, treatment that happens at the bowl is very important. Because if your hair is not cleansed and treated properly in that space, it won't respond well in this space. There are some styles, and I won't get into them now, but there are some things that you want the hair to do. You know what I mean? Once it's styled, you want the hair to respond in a certain way. And as a professional, I know in order for it to respond that way, I have to do certain things here, and that's at the shampoo bowl. So as you're going into your salon experience with whomever you may be going in with, make sure that you value that time at the shampoo bowl. Don't rush that experience. Now, I'm not saying that you got to sit there hours, but don't rush that experience trying to hurry the process. If anything, negate the styling process or make that a quicker experience and take advantage of what you're getting at the shampoo bowl. That's just me. All right. Cornell Jermaine here with another Quick Tip Tuesday. Listen, I thank you so much for listening and taking all of these quick tips in. I hope they're really helping you. But if they are, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, let me know. If you have any questions and comments, of course, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll gladly go over them and cover any of the questions that you have if I get around to it. Thank you so much for viewing, as always, and I'll see you next time.